Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Times Health Plus. I am Apurva, your yoga instructor, and I come here every day to teach you, to guide you beautiful practitioners in your yoga journeys. By now, most of you know me. To all the new practitioners, new joinees who are joining us for the first time, a special hello, a special namaste to you. I hope your journey with Times Health Plus from here on goes amazing and you stay with us consistently, you show up every day. इसे हम कहते हैं फलकासना प्लैंक. आई एम श्योर मोस्ट ऑफ यू नो इट, बट आई विल गिव यू अ लिटिल चैलेंज हियर. ओके, नाउ चैलेंजेस आर फॉर यू टू हैव फन. यू डोंट हैव टू स्ट्रेस अबाउट इट. करना ज़रूरी नहीं है. अगर आप चाहें, इफ़ यू फील योर बॉडी वांट्स दैट पुश, यू कैन डू इट, अदरवाइज स्किप इट. ओके, वॉच मी केयरफुली. For a simple plank, you will keep your hands under your shoulders and you will step the legs out this way, making sure the hip is in line with the shoulder. You are not sagging, you're not lifting, and you're definitely not arching the back like that. Okay, you keep your shoulders slightly away from the floor. You push gravity away. You keep your legs together this way. Now the challenge part. Okay, अगर आप में से कोई push-ups जानते हैं, you can add 5 push-ups here if you like. 5 or 10 push-ups. If you're advanced and if you can do more push-ups, you can do a push-up. Full push-up or knee push-up, that's your choice. So only if you have the upper body strength, if you want to try a push-up, you can do it. मैं एक बार आपको demonstrate कर देती हूँ how to do a full push-up. You'll keep your hands here, okay? You'll look forward. You'll slightly take the shoulder ahead, okay? And you keep the entire body in one line. You go down and you push up, okay? If this is not possible for you, you will put the knees down like that. You will do the same thing. You look forward, shoulders ahead, go down, up. अगर ये भी मुश्किल लगता है तो आप यहाँ पर रह के सिर्फ थोड़ा सा 20% नीचे जाके ऊपर भी आ सकते हैं. यहाँ पे एवरीवन हम ध्यान देंगे हमारी एल्बो पोजीशन. यू डोंट हैव टू फ्लेयर योर एल्बोज आउट लाइक दैट. यू विल मेक श्योर योर एल्बोज आर टक्ड इन टुवर्ड्स योर वेस्ट दिस वे. सो यू मेक अ नाइस एरो शेप. इसका ध्यान करते हुए आप पुशअप्स प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. अगर आपके लिए पुशअप्स पॉसिबल नहीं है, यू डोंट हैव टू डू इट. इट्स ओनली एन ऑप्शन. हम प्लैंक होल्ड करेंगे 10 काउंट्स के लिए. इन 10 काउंट्स में अगर आप पुशअप्स डालना चाहते हैं तो आप डाल सकते हैं. Everyone, let's begin. Hands under the shoulders. Inhale. Exhale. We step back. We hold for 10. Let's go, everyone. 9. You can do push-ups here, okay? 8. अगर आप push-up करना चाहें, आप push-ups कर सकते हैं. 7. 6. People doing a plank, make sure you're pushing through the shoulders. 4. 3. 2. 1 and relax. Rest. Let's take a short break. Breathe. You feel that activation happening in your stomach? That's what we want, okay? In your shoulders, in the stomach, in your hands. अगर आपको ये plank हाथों पर मुश्किल लगता है, it feels a lot of weight, it's a good thing, okay? This is how your wrist, your hands will get strong. We will practice this one more time. People who are doing the push-ups, let me see 5 or 10 more push-ups. Okay, let's try. Everyone, again, hands down, inhale. Exhale, we step back, stay for 10. 9, you can definitely add push-ups. 7, 6, keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and everyone relax and rest. Amazing. Breathe. Good job, everyone. Not bad. Okay, as you guys are resting, you can sit, rest, watch me. Okay, I will show you the next posture now. अब हम practice करेंगे an excellent asana for our stomach. Okay, this is great for us to build strength in our stomach and also in our hip flexors, which will in turn improve your posture, which will in turn relieve your lower back pain, because अक्सर हम में से बहुत लोग lower back को ज़्यादा use करते हैं and we don't use our abdomen as much in our daily activities. So this asana will help you transfer that load from your lower back, shift it to your stomach and your hip flexors, so you can sit with a long spine and the lower back can just take a break. okay, which will in turn take its pain away. इसे प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए हम कंफर्टेबली हिप्स पर इस तरीके से बैठ जाएंगे. ओके, यू विल शिफ्ट योर वेट ऑन द हिप, नॉट ऑन द स्पाइन. पीपल मेक श्योर यू आर नॉट पुटिंग वेट ऑन द वर्टिब्रा, ऑन द बोन. इंस्टेड यू आर शिफ्टिंग वेट ऑन द हिप लाइक दैट. इसके डिफरेंट लेवल्स हैं. यू विल डू द लेवल दैट वर्क्स फॉर यू. ओके, लेवल 1, आप अपने हाथों से अपने थाइस को इस तरीके से होल्ड करके पैरों को थोड़ा सा उठाने की कोशिश करेंगे. ओके, जस्ट दिस इज लेवल 1. If you feel this is very easy for you, level 2 is you will pick up the feet more and you will try to release your arms like that. Now this will be a little heavy on your quadriceps on the stomach, but this is your Navasana. Okay, we'll hold this. Advanced practitioners, आप चाहें तो आप अपना एक लेग स्ट्रेट करके भी इस पोज को प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, और if you are a pro, okay, then you can do the same posture with straight legs this way. This is going to be very challenging, but it's a choice. You can do whatever works for you. Beginners, extremely beginners, if you're just starting out, if you feel this is very heavy for you, you can just hold your legs like that. Okay, that also works. Everyone, let's practice it for 10 counts with me. We sit on the hip, we lift the spine up, roll the shoulders back, bring up your feet, release the arms if possible, stay for 10, 9, deep breaths, 8, smile on your face, 7, 6, keep holding everyone, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. You feel it in your thighs. It's supposed to work your thighs and your hip flexors. So that's absolutely correct. Relax. इसे हम एक और बार प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. Get your breath back, everyone. Let the body rest. Let the body recover. Ready. Let's practice it once more. The same thing. We will catch our legs from under. You'll keep your back straight, shoulders back, smile on your face, pick up the feet, stay for 10. Release your arms. 9. Advanced practitioners, straighten the legs. 7, go for it, come on, try. 6, keep the back straight. 5, 4, keep holding. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Rest, amazing. Let's take a break here. Sit, breathe. Remember to take deep breaths from the nostrils. As you people are resting, can I show you the next posture? So we save time, okay? You can keep resting and just watch me. Next हम practice करेंगे खड़े होकर. We'll do a standing posture. इसे हम कहते हैं उत्कटासना, यानी कि chair pose. Nothing but you sitting on an imaginary chair. Feet को together या hip distance, that's your choice. Whatever you feel is comfortable. इसके साथ हम gently, we will lower down the hips, we will bend the knees this way. You will keep your chest open. And you can, easy variation, you can keep your hands on the knees gently. Otherwise, you can bring your arms up and you will hold. Okay? You will stay here. Advanced practitioners, आप चाहें तो यहाँ पे pulses भी practice कर सकते हैं. So you'll stay in your Utkatasana, you will pulse 10. You'll keep moving thighs up and down if you want. So as I count for 10, you can just do pulses instead. So that's an easy and a hard variation. Let's practice it, everyone together with me. Feet together or hip distance, your choice. 1 deep breath. And gently lower down the hip, bend your knees, lift your arms up. Stay for 10. You can either look down on the mat or look forward, that's up to you. Just keep one pointed awareness. 7, 6, advanced practitioners, you can pulse. 4, 3, 2, and 1, and relax. This is for us to build strength in our quadriceps, in the legs, in the glutes, in our hips. Okay? Rest. Take a few breaths here. I will now sign off everyone. I will see you in the next class. Till then, you know the drill. Keep your spine up, keep your posture erect, a big smile on your face always. Be kind, be polite, be generous to yourself and to everyone around you. And lastly, always stay grateful. Thank you so much everyone. Namaste.